Hey Cali gang, so as you can tell from the title and the thumbnail, I'm going to be making some stuffed shells with ground turkey. I'm going to layer the pan, kind of like lasagna in a way. Don't come for me, I know I look crazy. Please be sure to smash the subscribe button, hit that like button as well, leave a comment, even if it's just saying hi, okay? Sorry for the background, Dre is watching Mrs. Doubtfire, I think. But yeah, so first things first, gotta make the ground turkey. I'm trying to think if I'm gonna make the whole pound or a half because there's 8 shells and the container, I think this is 8 by 8. Let me see, 20. Yeah, this is an 8 by 8, so I'll probably just make all the ground turkey because it's gonna be layered like lasagna anyway. So yeah, I'm excited because I've never made this before. This is a first one for me. So yeah, don't come for me, I know I look crazy. Hope everyone's having a good day. It is Wednesday, August 24th. I'm gonna do my best to post this, you know, have it premiere and stuff tomorrow, but if it doesn't, then it doesn't. But yeah, so I'm super excited. Got some things happening on the channel. Got invited to some events coming up soon. So, you know, your girl's gonna vlog that, of course. And yeah, so it's been a long day. I worked literally 8 hours, like 7 to 4. So yeah, your girl's tired, but we gotta eat. So yeah, I'm warming up the pan. Gonna make the ground turkey. And yeah, I'll be right back, Cali gang. Today. Bitches on my resume. Serena has the whole world behind her. She will always be dangerous. Alright, hey y'all, so the meat's done, and as you can see from the instructions, it said line, like cover the bottom of the pan with sauce. So I'm gonna cover the bottom with sauce, and I'm probably just gonna put the meat on top. Like I'll do like sauce, the shells, meat, and then sauce, or then sauce, meat, sauce, and then cheese. I don't know, but yeah, so oven is on preheat and it's just waiting for that. So yeah, be right back with the layers. OMG, y'all saw that layering, right? Okay, so she's ready to go in the oven, and I'm so excited. Oh, I'm so excited. I cannot wait to see how she comes out. I think I should have layered it different. Like, I should have definitely put sauce down and then meat, you know, but that's okay. And your girl loves some cheese, so let me see. It says 25 to 30 minutes. So let's see, timer. I'll do 27 minutes and then check it like with a knife or something. So yeah, it goes. Timer's on. Be back, y'all. 4 more minutes. I'm so hungry. It's time. It's time. So as you could tell, it was not done yet. The cheese wasn't even melted, and when I poked the knife, it was like, I felt like a little crunch. So yeah, it's definitely not done. So I put it back in for about 10 minutes uncovered. So hopefully that will get everything going, and when I take it out, it'll be all melty and bubbly and ready to go. But yeah, be back in 10.
No, because
I think it's ready.
First episode, I'm not getting
So excited. Taste test coming soon. So taste test. I'm so nervous. Gosh, it looks so good. Look at the steam. Oh, the steam. Look at that. Not bad. What'd you think, babe?
It's good.
But yeah, I'm gonna grab. But hope you enjoyed the quick Cooking with Callie vlog. Bye. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit that bell notification so you know fast when I post. Do my best to post every 1 to 3 days. If I don't post by the 3rd day, then I do my best to post by the 4th day. If not, then y'all know something's going on, or, just, something's going on. But yeah, stay safe and blessed, Callie gang. We up in this thing. Mwah. Bye.